Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to turn your laptop into a viewfinder, into a monitor, because when I first started out it was very difficult. I didn't even know there was anything like turning your laptop into a viewfinder, into a monitor, and all of those stuff. So I struggled with staying in focus. I struggled with staying in frame. Like I keep, at times I have to, it takes me a whole day to film a video because I'm trying to like find my way out of it, like running up and down to see after each thing you're doing, you're going to check if you're still in focus, to check every other stuff like that. So it was a struggle. It was really a struggle for me until I found a video on YouTube, because I've been following this Nigerian YouTuber Kelechi Ngbemina. She has been so, her channel has been so good to me. Like she's amazing. Anything you're looking for in terms of YouTube is on her channel. So I watched this her video where she turned her laptop into a viewfinder, and since then my life has changed. Like my filming life has changed for the better. Like I mean, like it's so easy for me to like film, because knowing that you're in focus, knowing that you're in frame, like within the frame, it's as in that hassle of going back and forth to check if I was in focus and all of that has stopped. So you can check her out. She's amazing. She's a Nigerian YouTuber. So she's Kelechi Ngbemina. So why am I bringing this video here? I'm bringing this video here because the method she used in turning her laptop into a viewfinder didn't really work out for me, but it was really an eye-opener. It was just something, the difference is just little. It was just one difference between her method and the one I found out, because she used her laptop, she connected her laptop to her DSLR camera through a cord, through a cable, but that didn't work out for me because I don't know, the cable, after connecting the both, they weren't detecting, like my laptop wasn't detecting my camera and vice versa. So I tried two different cords, I think 3 different cords, but they weren't detecting my laptop. I was like, okay. During her setting, she turned off her Wi-Fi because she was like, the two can't work together, that you have to turn off your Wi-Fi for the cord to work. So I was like, okay, since the cord wasn't working out for me, why not, because I turned off my Wi-Fi and I used the cord, but it didn't work out for me. So I don't know why. So I was like, okay, since the cord didn't work out for me, let me try on my Wi-Fi and connect the two through Wi-Fi and see if it will work. And that, luckily for me, it worked out for me. So I was like, okay, let me bring the video here just in case someone is out there struggling to connect her laptop to her camera through a cable and it's not working out for you. So this video is for you. Try connecting via Wi-Fi and it will work out for you. So I got you covered. So before we get into the video proper, if you haven't liked this video yet, I'm going to give you a minute to do so. And please also subscribe to my channel, because I'm still at 271. Please help me to get 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. Hey guys, so the first thing you're going to do is to download the Canon software onto your laptop. I already have it right here. I don't know if you can see my mouse. Somewhere here, I have it right here, and I still have it right here, up here, here. This is it. I still have it down here. This is it. So just for you that is starting out, I'm going to connect this to an internet. Okay, go to Google. I'm going to enlarge this. You type Canon. You click the first one, the Canon USA, to open your website. Then you click on the first one right here. Okay, then you go over to this side where you have your, choose a search area, this place right here, upper right corner where you have your search bar. You type your modem, the modem of your camera. Mine is the Canon 200D. So enter, search. So this is the result showing for all the Canon. So this is my Canon 200D right here. This is it, the ESO Rebel SL2. This is my camera right here. This is my model. Double click on it to open. So this is my camera right here. Then you find where they say drivers and downloads. Okay, here you have your drivers and download. Here you click on it, and then you see your software. This is it. This is the ESO utility. This is the software I'm looking for. You come here, then you select it. Since I have it downloaded already, I won't be selecting it. You select it, then you see where you have download here, then you download the software. But I already have it downloaded on my system, so I'm not going to download it again. But if you don't have it, this is how you get it. You click here, then it will automatically download onto your laptop. Okay, when you're done downloading it, you're gonna have something like this here. I don't know if you're seeing where I'm cycling. You're gonna have something like this here, and then you're gonna have something like this here. You're gonna have this icon here, up here, and then this one down here. So after you're done downloading the Canon software onto your computer, the next thing, you put on your camera, you come to the function settings and click OK. Then you come all the way down to wireless communications and settings. You click it, then you see Wi-Fi settings. You click on it, then you see Wi-Fi enabled. Always make sure it's enabled if you are connecting via Wi-Fi. But if you're connecting via the cable, then you have to turn these settings off and disable it. But I'm connecting via Wi-Fi because the cable didn't work out for me, so it's enabled. So we'll have to go back now. Go back to this place and come down to Wi-Fi functions. You click on it, then you come down to MacBook. You select your MacBook. So after selecting your MacBook, a connection will be created, which is this connection right here, this Alignet 350 Canon. After your connection has been created, you come to your laptop and make sure you connect to that connection that has been created by your camera. You come over to your Wi-Fi side here, and then this is the connection that has been created by your Canon. Then you click on it because they have to be on the same connection. They have to be on the same Wi-Fi connection. So as soon as you connect to that Canon connection, the Canon app will just pop up by itself. So this first one right here is to download image to computer. That is, after you're done filming and snapping, you want to download all your image to computer, you click this one right here. But if you want to turn it into a remote finder, into a monitor, you click on remote shooting. Then this pops up. Then you see right down here where you have your live view shoot here that my mouse is moving. I hope you're seeing it. Then you click on live view shoot, then this one pops up. Hi guys, we've been able to turn our laptop into a viewfinder now. It's so dark here because I'm using the kit lens to film right now, but let me see if I can increase the ISO. And one good thing about this thing is that you can manipulate your way, like from all this place, like all the settings of your computer, all the settings of your camera is right here. So if you want to change the aperture here, you can change the aperture from 100 if you want to take it to 60. can do that. If you want to take it to 50, you can do that. If you want to take it all the way to back to 100, you can do that. So, and here, if you want to take it, if you want to increase it for it to be very bright, you can do that. From here, increase the ISO. You can reduce the ISO if you want to, but it's too dark, so I'm going to increase. Let's try 800. Still dark. 160. 1600. Still dark, but yeah, this did it. I'm just showing you that you can do whatever you want to do from here. If you want to film, you click the red button right here. Are you seeing the circle on the drawing? Just click this. Let's see. Hey guys, so it's recording right now. So I've started recording. This is it. So this is my viewfinder. So before you go, please like this video if you haven't subscribed to my channel and take me to 1000. Okay, that's all for this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.